Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech or voice typing in Google Docs. So how do you do about doing that, guys? Once you're inside Google Doc, you want to go ahead and click on Tools from the menu option here, and then if you look down here you will find the option that says voice typing, or you can also use the keys that says Ctrl, Shift and S, right? That will allow you to use it. Now once you click on that, you will have this microphone here. You can also go ahead and play around with the language if you so desire. I will leave this on English, and all you have to do is just simply click on it to start speaking. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on it now, and I'm going to simply click allow my microphone here, and then it's going to allow me to start speaking. So as you can see, while I speak, it is now recorded on the screen. So guys, this is a very easy way how you can utilize this text-to-speech within the Google Docs. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.